In this lesson, we will understand what are quick filters in Tableau. So we already discussed the three types of filters, that is dimension, measure and date filters. Now we will see some more types of filters. One of them is quick filter. We will understand what are quick filters. With that, we will also see an example on Tableau itself. Let us start. The most common filters are quick filters because they are easily available. So we will see an example regarding the same quick filters. Such filters includes the following methods. So let's say you only want to select one value at a time. You can use the single value. Okay, with that you have your single value as a drop down list, single value as a slider. So it makes your work easier to filter. You also have the same options for multiple values, that is selecting one or more values from a list, drop down or a custom list. With that you can also work around the wildcard match in filter, that is selecting values containing specific characters. Let's say you want only the subcategories with name starting with A or with name ending with K. So we can achieve all these using the quick filters in Tableau. Now let us see an example of one of these filters and we will create a new sheet, quick filters, in the same Amit underscore Tableau underscore filters, in which we already saw some types of filters. Let us start with the example. So this was a Tableau. Let me create a new worksheet by clicking here, double click and rename quick filters. Okay. So we already implemented filter dimensions, measures and dates in this same workbook, Amit underscore Tableau underscore filters. So now we have our quick filters sheet. Okay. Now let us drag the dimension subcategory. Here it is, 2 rows, and profit, that is sum of profit, 2 columns. Now we have our bar chart. Horizontal bar chart is visible. Now right click subcategory and click show filter. Now the subcategories are visible. Okay, you can deselect any of them, but a drop down is also visible here, or you can directly click on the search to find the values. Okay, what I'll do, I'll just click on the drop down and all the quick filters are visible, which we already discussed in the PPT. You can see single value drop down, slider, multiple values, list drop down, custom list and wildcard match. So these are the quick filters, commonly visible, easily accessible, right? So let's say I'll go for the wildcard match. We will filter the subcategories of the bar chart. By default, multiple values by list is selected. Click on the wildcard match. Now you have the search box to apply the wildcard filter. Now let's say we want subcategories that begin with the letter C. I'll just type C star and press enter. So this expression we typed to get the subcategories that starts with the name C. Now what is visible, guys? Only the subcategories that begins with the name C can be seen. I'll just go for the entire view. Okay, now only the subcategories that begins with C is visible. You can keep the mouse cursor and get more information. I'll just switch it to standard again. This looks fine to me. So in this way we can apply quick filters. I have shown one of the examples. So only the subcategories that start with the letter C filtered out like this. I'll go to file and click save. So guys, we saw how we can apply the most common quick filters in Tableau. Thank you for watching the video.